The Hoover Linx is a powerful cordless vacuum cleaner that weighs just 3 kilograms.
I found the Linx a great product, very convenient, easy to use, just quick and easy out of the cupboard and go and clean up whatever I need to clean up.
The Linx uses a fade-free lithium-ion battery for maximum cleaning performance. It uses wind tunnel technology for removing deeply embedded dust, and its lightweight design makes it easy to move around the home.
I would use it as a convenient tool just to do a quick clean up. If the kids have been out making a bit of a mess, I'll just get it out, clean up the mess and just pop it away.
This Hoover cordless vacuum is great at quickly removing pepper from your floors with its built-in roller brush. The Hoover Linx is available exclusively at Godfrey's.